Welcome to One Shot.
The one-shot system doesn't have fiddly parts such as O-rings, lubricants, dasher blades, and so forth, parts that can be very expensive to replace, costs that may not have been factored into a business model.
The best after-sales service is no after-sales service. We are completely confident that once you've opened the packaging, taken out and plugged in your one-shot dispenser, problems will be a thing of the past. In the unlikely event of a breakdown, call our hotline service number for immediate assistance. Uncomplicated is achieved by keeping everything simple, including form, function, and design. A single portion of ice cream dispensed by an eye-catching machine. The one-shot dispenser can be located pretty much anywhere, saving countertop space and allowing total flexibility. We are constantly striving for quality. With One Shot, quality is not just a question of luck. One Shot ensures perfect product integrity. The dispenser looks after itself, allowing you to concentrate on other things. No expensive after-sales service.